How to link your bank account to Cash App. Hey everybody, if you'd also like to link a bank account to Cash App, you may follow up their steps. So first of all, head over and open up the application, and once you open it up from here, tap on your profile in the top right corner of your screen. After you tap on it, you may just navigate to the accounts and settings option, scroll down for that, and from here look out for the option called linked banks, and then go ahead and tap on it. Now, once you tap on it, if you have not added your debit card, first of all, you need to add up a debit card. And once your debit card is added, you'll be finding option to add up a bank. So head over and follow up the step for that. And you'll be finding option called link bank. So just go ahead and tap on link bank. And once you do so, here you can continue the process. Go ahead and read the terms. After that, tap on continue. And then you can select your institution, which is your bank account. For example, chase.com, tap on it. And after you do so, you need to authenticate and follow the verification process. So continue the process and then tap on next. Continue the process again, tap on next, and at last tap on connect my account. After you do so, it may take a while, about some seconds for that to happen. After that is done, you can tap on continue and you will be finding a successful message on the screen. Tap on continue and your bank account will be successfully linked to your Cash App. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to link your bank account to Cash App, you may head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.